Yep. Good, should I say good morning? Yeah, welcome viewers. Welcome to my channel. I still remain your very Udofia Idikureke. So I actually promised that I was going to do a review of Friday's trade. Today is the early hour of Saturday. I just got to do the review because indeed we actually had a fantastic trade. As you can see, we are on a profit of the 2022 USD dollars from a $50 account. The truth of the matter is that in the early hour of the day we actually have done 21 USD dollars, and what I didn't know was that there was a major news coming up, right? And then I'm going to show you part of the information. So on the news that came up earlier today, which was around 4 p.m. today, this actually altered some of our trading, and I'm going to be showing all of that to you very shortly. So but let me start with the trade that we took today. So we had we said that there was a change of character. If you go back to our Friday's free signal analysis, you would have seen that we said that today that we know that it's a downtrend, but we see a change of character on the 1 hour, which is this particular indication or rectangle that I created here. And then I said we were also expecting a retrace back to this level, and that was the reason why I drew out this line. And I said when it retraced back to this level, then we should be looking to buy the gold. But somehow, due to, pardon me to say, due to lack of power on in our country still presently right now, I wasn't available online to take this trade, but I actually took the reversal of this to this level, and let me quickly show that to you. So we actually sold the gold today and we're able to make $10 out of the gold, okay? And that was it, but we weren't available to take the buy like we planned to at this level to make the other entry, because if you watch the review, I said I see two trade available on the gold, which is a buy and a sell, and that was it. And then which other trade did we take? We took the US Japanese yen, which we said that it was going to buy, and we had our take profit around here. I think we took this trade what time, let's see. So we had this trade when this candle retraced back to this level. So we had this trade here and we were looking to have our first take profit around that level there. So we had that, and then so it was a short trade basically, and then we also had our USD Swiss actually did quite well, and I think should I show that to you? Okay, USD Swiss. Okay, so let me take this and show that to you guys. So we took this trade when we saw that this was also going to be closing bullish, but it ended up closing this way. I think we were, should I say, kind of quick in taking that trade, and then we had our take profit around this level here. And then we had our second entry when we saw that, because if you watched the previous video, you would have seen that I said that we could take this trade here or this level here. So when we got to this level, I had the second entry at the close of this. I just had my pending order, and then the market was looking good. All of a sudden we had the news, and then poof, when the news came up, we hit our first stop loss on the initial entry that we had, and then we got stopped out. The reason why we didn't get stopped out on this was because I actually did remember that I didn't put a stop loss, and we're expecting the market to finally go back to what it's supposed to go to. And I would have closed this trade yesterday, but I just felt like I definitely know the trade was going to retrace back to this level, so I shouldn't be in a rush to close it. So by Monday morning I'll be taking out just some little profit out of it, because I would have to look out for a fresh new trade for Monday morning. So that's about the USA Swiss. And then for the we had this trade. This trade was actually a good one for us. So here's what happened on this trade. Let me show it to you. So we knew that this trade, or we forecasted that this trade was going to be buying, since we have seen the market come down here, similarly to what has happened for this. We also saw the same thing here. So what we did differently was that we had a pending buy on this level here, and the market came, played around here, didn't go further this, and then we saw the market coming back, and then the market still went back down. And when the news came out, it looks like the news went to our favor, basically. So the news came out around 5-4 today. Oh, it wasn't the news that pushed it, pardon me. So this is 13, which is roughly 1 o'clock, and 1 o'clock to my time is 12 o'clock on my MT4 or on the trading platform. So this is 1 o'clock, and 1 o'clock was like 12. So by 12 this was looking good, and then 1 o'clock this was looking good, and then by 2 o'clock we already had our take profit around that level. So that's exactly what happened for our USD Canadian. So for this, I don't think we took any trade. Yeah, we were looking to sell the trade at this level, but since the market just kept going, so we felt like, because one of the things I said was that we wanted to see a reaction around here, and obviously the market just kept going up, so we didn't actually take that trade. Okay, because I actually said that for this one we need to be patient to really see, because the market just broke down this level and now it's stepping back up, so we didn't have that trade. We didn't have this one neither, but we took this one. Now for this particular trade, we saw that it was a downward trend. We knew the market was going to come down either way, but where I would say we had our first entry when we saw this candle and the way this was pushing so hard. So we got into the trade at this point here, and we were looking at taking our first take profit around this level, and then we had our stop loss way above the previous yesterday price action, the highest level. And we also had the intention to had a double entry on this, because even when I did take this trade, I was also expecting that the market was supposed to go to my premium level, which was around this point here, to sell off. And finally the market actually did go to that point, but like I said, we didn't have power to keep me on the system. But I think for this particular pound CSD, when the news came out and pushed the market a little bit high, we also, I think I used my phone to do that. I scalped the market to kind of take back some money, because when we had these two loss days and days, we were already at a short of maybe $16, and we're left with like 5 USD profits. So I just decided that, you know what, let's cap the market and take some money back, and we're able to get this and this. So basically that's what, and we're able to push the money back up to $24. So that was how the trade actually went today. And then which other trade did we have? I've talked about this. So yes, this is the one that got me kind of seriously angry. So we saw this trade. This was a fantastic trade. So let me bring that up. So we had this trade, right? We had this trade. We see the market, it's been playing around this level, and then when we saw this, we said, okay, if the market would come cross this level, then it was a continuous sell for us, because generally the market has been bullish. And so we had this trade. So we were on a buy level on this trade. We had our stop loss just roughly around this level, and so far the market did fantastically well. Our take profit was a little bit around this point here, and all of a sudden when the news came out, we expected that the market would definitely continue, and then poof, when the news came out, we got stopped out, and this was where I felt like crying. Because at this point I was already at maybe $6 or $5 profit, and I was like, should I have taken it? Should I have just moved my stop loss to break even and all of that? But it's called the Forex. So basically this is a lesson learned, though this is not the first time, and I want to put this to you. Like I usually put a disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just someone who enjoys trading the forex market for hobbies, and I am also profitable when trading the market, basically. So here is the lesson learned. I should have taken note of this news coming up, basically, even though I had my prediction on set or set. I should have actually taken note of those major news coming up, so that I probably would just have moved my stop loss to break even level, so that just in case it goes to my favor, I'm still in the market, and then I could get my take profit. But if it doesn't go to my favor, I get stopped out, but I don't lose any money. So that's basically what it is for today's trade. It was a good one for me. And if you look at my chart, or my trades still going up, we are at a profit of 74. Yep. So if I decide to close this, I'm at 58 USD dollar, which is not bad. This is roughly way above 10% on our first day of trading. Yeah, first 10% of your 50 USD dollar, which is good for a day profit. But that is what it is for us today. And once again, please do not forget to like, subscribe to our channel if you think you got value from this. And then you'll be seeing me once again on Monday, where I'll be dropping another free signals. And I do hope you had a beautiful weekend, as I will over here. So have a great day, and bye bye for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. You could make your comments. Maybe I could learn one or two from you. You could tell me, oh, this is what I think you didn't do right. I'm open to suggestion. I'm not saying I've mastered it all. It's still a learning curve for me, and with everything I'm learning, I'm deciding to share. So maybe you could be someone who could drop some light. I'm very open. So thank you for watching once again.